Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs. They lived with their mother. One day, Mom said, "You are big now. Go build your own house." The first little pig made a house of straw. "It is easy," he said. The second little pig made a house of sticks. "It is quick," he said. The third little pig made a house of bricks. "It is strong," he said. Then came the big bad wolf. He went to the straw house. Little pig, let me come in." The wolf blew the house down. The little pig ran to his brother's stick house. The wolf came again. The pigs ran to their brother's brick house. The wolf came to the brick house. He huffed and puffed, but he could not blow the brick house down. Which house would you build? Straw, sticks, or bricks?